Today we're in our Somerset garden. We're going to show you how to sow peas. I'm holding a piece of guttering. This is the container we're going to use, and I'll let John explain. Welcome to our Somerset garden. I'm Melanie, one half of John Horsey Horticulture, teaching you gardening skills like pruning, how to take cuttings, how to sow seed. If you enjoy learning those skills, do consider subscribing to our channel, but be sure to press that notification bell below, which will let you know every time we upload a new video.
Good morning, everybody. Today we're looking at sowing peas. Now, it is still January, it's still very cold, so obviously the only way we can really sow them though is under some sort of protection. But if you have a glass house or a conservatory or some place that you can just protect them a little bit, I've got a way in which we can get them going and also keep them safe from pests. Now, when I say pests, you'll know that one of the worst things for sowing peas are mice. I mean, poor little things. It's cold out there and you go and put a nice little dollop of food down and they eat it. You can't really blame them. But if you want to stop them eating your peas, you can try this trick which I use in my glass house. And to do this, I need a piece of guttering, an ordinary piece of guttering. I've just chosen this size because it's nice and convenient. And I'm going to actually sow the peas in here. I need a little bit of stone there to stop the soil falling out the end, and a little bit of stone there to stop it going at that end. And I'm using a general fertiliser, a general compost. It's just to fill it up, something like John's number 2, or really you could almost use a compost for this, and fill it up all the way along, and there we are, ready to go. Ease it out. Now, I'm going to use a variety called Meteor. I've used Meteor for many years. I've always found it's a very good winter pea. As I say, if you were going to sow this one outside without any protection, then you'd probably need to wait a couple more months before you do it. Or you can try it in the autumn and overwinter it, which works quite often. But anyway, for today, I'm going to be sowing these at about 3 inches apart. Just pushing them in like that, like that. It's not quite 3 inches, more like 3 inches. There we are, all the way along, and that'll make a nice little row of peas, which go in that way. I'm actually going to, at the end, I'll tell you when I get there, let's put these 3 inches all the way along, and there we are. That'll make a nice little row, give us a nice little early crop of peas, early in the spring. So in they go. There's the last one. Now, as I say, because I've got a row of this, I'm going to push those in like that. I'm going to just put a couple of spares in there, so that if some of them don't come up, I can always move one in and fill it up. Now, there we are. That's all done. Level that off. I'll put a little bit more compost on, just finish it off. I'm going to give that a good water, and then I'm going to put it safely in the glass house. So here we are, we've got them, the peas up here out of the way. It would have to be quite an athletic mouse to find its way up to there, and no birds coming in, so they should get a wonderful start into growth and give us a nice early crop of peas.
So if you enjoyed learning these things, do consider subscribing to our channel, but be sure to press that notification bell below, which will let you know every time we upload a new video. Thank you very much for joining us in our Somerset garden. We very much enjoyed having you. Until next time.